What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Derek, aka FlippingAHouse, and today I'm going to take you guys with me. We have a busy Friday. I have a closing that I have to head to. I'll break down that deal. Then we have several properties to check on, go drop fixtures. It's just, we're all over the place, all over Houston today. I'm going to take you guys with me. Let's go. Alright guys, now that closing is done, and I'm going to talk a little bit in depth about the deal once I go pick up the sign. But right now, I have to go to ABC Supply because my roofer missed a few things on the delivery. So I got to go pick those up and drop them off. I'm trying to kill like 3 birds, 1 stone. But yeah, just a busy Friday. Extra material has been paid for. Now we just got to pick it up, but I actually got to rearrange my damn truck really quick because it's a mess from all these damn Amazon packages. All right guys, we're here in the bag about to get loaded up and then we'll be on our way. It is a madhouse around here. Of course, it's Friday though. What more could you expect? Oh, okay. Oh, that's it. Okay, got you. Hell yeah. Cool. Appreciate it.
All right, buddy. Y'all blessed today, man.
You as well. All right, guys. We made it to the flip. We're getting the roof done. Countertops will start next week. And the painters are making a lot of progress as well. You guys remember we stopped by this one last week, but they're getting everything primered. And then we should finish up paint in the next week. And then I can get my floor guys in here and then we'll be making a lot of progress. Let's go take a look and see, because I know we got the shower getting tiled as well. Yep, my tile guy will be back to finish today. And then yeah, we'll do 2 big glass, like a glass door, glass window. It'll look really good in here. But yeah, we're making progress, guys. We got 2 new vanities. We'll have a small seat here in the middle for the women. Huge mirror, but yeah. Yeah, we're getting the roof done. They're doing it in sections because the weather has been terrible, guys. Just here in Houston, we went from 50 and 40 degrees to 70 and nice. And then now it is about 65 and nice, but rain has been coming and going. You get all these old, like I hate these dishes. We always remove them, even if we don't replace the roof. Talk to me.
I don't know if you know ABC, when you buy a lot of the shingles, they are coming out like red or something.
Okay.
Like 3 bundles that thing.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The best is gonna be if we can just do a quick look when they deliver it, and because then that way we can just send it back. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. It was my first time, but we'll figure it out. Has anybody else been here today, or is it just the paint, just y'all?
They came just one 2500 Chevy.
Okay, but not today.
Not today, no.
Yeah. See, these motherfuckers are about to get fired. Why am I working and they're not working? I told you guys last time I was here, my painters were on some bullshit. And David, he's like a little GC, man. He came into my life about a year ago, started doing some roofs for me. And then I've had a lot of little like odd jobs get done, but he has always saved me. I had, in the storms, we had a tree fall in a house and he came through and saved us. The foundation was separating, he saved us. Like, there's been so many little odd jobs that he has come through, and I'm just so happy he's on our team. And I'm about to just start giving him more work. And since my old painters aren't here today on a Friday, this is not the first time this has happened either, guys. Not here on a Friday, very big no-no with me. I know that may seem like a small thing. We finished the week strong because I know he's gonna be asking for money next week, but I'm sharing my struggles with you guys with this contractor at this job. Like I told y'all last time, he was already on probation, and then now he's done. This will be the last house. I'm gonna let him finish. But yeah, let me get this last Amazon package, and then I actually still have another 45-minute drive. I have 2 more houses to go to, so let's keep it moving. So one of the things that I always do when I drop off Amazon packages though is I triple check everything, because what's happened a lot of times lately is people steal shit, just having so many people in the house. things start to go missing. So I just like to go through everything myself, triple check the order, just make sure everything that I ordered is here, which Amazon rarely makes mistakes. It's always shit that gets misplaced from the workers. So trust, but verify. If you're an entrepreneur, you know this well, because that is what our life is. Every day, verifying that other grown adults did what the fuck they were supposed to. Especially when you have guys that don't even show up to work. How do you know you can't trust them to steal? All right, guys, we've made it to the next house, and I gotta pick up Ashley's son, and then I'm gonna go say what's up to my cleaners, Miss Letty. She's amazing, part of our team as well. She's been with me for 3 or 4 years, guys, which is crazy because like when we had our Airbnbs, she was pretty much like the GC of our Airbnbs. Like she did everything for us. I'm talking problems with guests, break-ins. Like this woman is a godsend. So I never use any other cleaners, guys. I am so loyal. Like if you take care of me and my family and my business, I will do anything for you, anything. But this is a first. Ashley's sign is all over the yard and I don't know why. It looks like somebody got really mad and just threw her sign all over the yard. This shit makes no sense. No sense at all. Always something, guys. Always something. All right, guys, and this is the house. It's on a huge corner lot, and if you guys have been watching my videos, you're very well aware of this house. We have had multiple break-ins, so much theft. I mean, it's ridiculous. But we finally got a buyer, and I gotta pick up Ashley's lockbox as well, because these are not cheap. One really cool thing, though, that I did is I put 5% reflective tint on these windows. They're really big, just to hide for the break-ins. Hello. How are you? I'm good. But yeah, same stuff, guys. Quartz, gold templates, and yeah, it's just this house had a lot of weird things. There was, hold on, actually, I'm gonna go over there and show you guys. So we actually added a 4th bedroom. This was a last minute audible that we did, and I haven't been here, but my painters, they did an okay job. This should have been done better. This is another reason why he's getting fired, but it is what it is. They have living room, dining. And when I bought the house, so this is actually an addition. I do believe like at the beginning, it was a walkway through here to the garage and they just closed it in. But now it's kind of like a second family area and in the garage here. So this was just a huge open space that went from here to here. So like I literally added this wall. We were gonna add 2 more bedrooms, but I just felt like a 2-car garage would have been better, which it happened to work out. We actually went under contract immediately after we listed this home. But then out here, guys, we have 2-car garage, and then they had also added a garage over here as well. So now they have like extra parking, you put a basketball goal or something for the kids. But let's talk about what went wrong with this deal, guys. Where to start? So when I bought this house, I bought it for $130,000 or $135,000. Initially, my plan was to just sell it as is for like $160,000. I've done a few homes in this neighborhood already, so I was very well aware of the comps and everything. Now, literally the week after I closed, it was like last year. I've owned this house for a year, guys. This is one of my last bad deals that I'm getting rid of. But somebody broke in the same, like literally, and just normally like we have break-ins when it's cold, they just want somewhere warm to be, but they literally destroyed the house. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures like right here. Basically just put a bunch of like racial slurs and like all this shit. They broke a bunch of fucking windows. It cost me damage. So when I went to blast the property, first off, I found out that it had been broken into and damaged, but then also people weren't interested in that price because of all the extra work that needed to be done. So they broke like 2 big sliding doors, and I mean, you can see all the stuff that happened, but it's just like, this is real estate. So then I had to go from doing like a light hotel deal to actually flipping the home. And then this was in the midst of all my other projects, just running out of money, and it just sat for a couple months. And then when it was sitting, people broke in, they stole my condenser. I had a new AC unit inside, they stole it. They stole copper. I mean, guys, just everything that, like, I hate this fucking house. I'm so happy to be done with it. But that's just the reality of real estate, the market. you know, bad shit is gonna happen. You have to move around. But luckily, like I said, when we listed this house, we went under contract before it was even listed with an agent that Ashley had done a deal with before, but it had been a while. But he had some clients interested because he works the area. And yeah, so he put in an offer. We went under contract. We tried negotiating. They fell out. So then literally as we were going to list it, we listed it. And then the next day we got 2 more offers. We went with the better one. And then we ended up closing today. Now, overall, I didn't lose that much money. I think like it comes out to around $10,000, which it still sucks to take a loss. But when you can stop the bleeding and get things off the books, that's what we've been focusing on. So all our new deals are really good. But yeah, that's this shitty house. And it sucks because the other houses that I've done in this neighborhood, I made money, so I was bound to lose eventually. But now we gotta go check on some other flips. So let's go.
Relationships matter in real estate. This is just a perfect example of that, man. Relationships and proof of concept, and knowing that you got people that can get deals done. Sight on the scene, like that's crazy, because all the other offers, the people did go by there, but you were the only one that was sight unseen as well. So
yeah, no, I mean, I know the numbers, bro. I will need to see it before next week, like if I can just get in, but I just want to physically see it. I have a couple houses over there, so I'll let you know what day. We'll figure it out, bro, but it's no big deal.
Okay, all right, for sure, bro. Let me know if you want to get over there.
Will do, my man. I'll text you when I send EMD.
Okay, all right, sounds good.
All right, see you.
All right.
And I mean, you guys heard it. Service and relationships will take you farther than anything. That's literally how Ben and I run our whole business. It's just being able to close and not giving people problems. I give you a number. Once we agree to that number, it's gonna be the easiest thing you've ever done because my lenders are so solid. But we're about to pull up at this house, guys. I just want to share behind the scenes interactions with y'all. My tall guy, he's finishing up the other house and he's gonna come in here, get this one knocked out. And then we turn this one into a stand-up. So yeah, we'll take it all the way up to the ceiling. So it feels nice and big. We're making a lot of progress. Now let's go check on the one across the street. Yeah, it's just black is bold. I'll have less problems if we do white. So honestly, probably just white and then do the trim black and then just clean up these pieces, you know, like at the top. And then we'll have to replace, yeah, probably what, two strands and then the little piece on the edge. But you don't have to do it right now. Honestly, we can, yeah, that way I don't have problems with the HOA. But we can start on, y'all can start on this one. They're just over there demoing the showers. Got a little bit of trash piling up. Like I told you guys though, we're not putting the dumpsters out to the end though. When your guys start making recommendations, first off, I know that's how long you've been with me for like 2 years now, but also always looking to add value to homes. And y'all know I'm about to show y'all one of my favorite ways to do it is adding that 4th bedroom. All right, but over here, as you guys can see, we just have foundation done. That was like the major thing wrong with this house, but she's nice and level. And then I got, this is one thing about the foundation moving. It already had a crack, but then when it moved, so I'll send my glass guy out here. Yeah. And I forgot my AC guy was here too. Everybody working. See, everybody was working, but my painter, it's Friday, we don't stop. All right, so we have this little weird room that we're gonna turn into a bedroom. It's pretty small. And so yeah, this closet will move, water heater here, wall back. We'll probably have to have the electrician move over, but no door, and then we'll move the door over here. And there's a window here for the garage, but I have to have a window for it to be a room, so we'll leave it. But that'll add our 4th bedroom, and then he'll probably put the water heater there. I doubt the garage. All right, let's go look around other stuff, see if you have questions. Just make sure we're on the same page. And let's see, they're gonna demo this. Cool, keep the vanities, he'll get rid of the tops. This like trim you can get rid of though. This cheap ass trim. And then in here, we should be demoing. Yeah, all this shit, yeah. What's up, my man? You doing all right? Okay. So we're gonna take the shower, we're gonna make it a lot bigger just because this is a small house. Most likely we will paint the outside. The fucking beer cans in the fucking ceiling. On the outside, guys, we're probably gonna paint the exterior just to match the house next door. We got to get new fence done here, get rid of some of these trees. My tree guy's gonna come clean a lot of this stuff up. But yeah, pretty decent little property, guys. All right, guys, we have pulled up to our last stop of the day, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm exhausted. I am over an hour away from my home. I am on the east side of Houston, Texas right now, and this is a deal. I'm actually partnering with a buddy of mine. I'm so excited for him because he's gonna make a lot of money on this. I mean, we're all gonna make money, but we did a deal before. We've actually done 2 or 3 deals now, and but I've bought one from him in this specific neighborhood. He kind of farms this area, which is what I told him to do. Like, if you guys are looking to get deals, you need to own an area, especially when you have somewhere as big as Houston. I know you guys see me moving around. I mean, today alone, I'm gonna end up driving like 200 miles. Like, Houston is just so far from Houston because we have like suburbs around like this major city. But yeah, we're gonna go take a look at this one. The only thing that I know is he said that they had pet snakes, and he doesn't know if they took them. So yeah. All right, guys, let's walk this home and see if we see any snakes or anything exciting. So everything looks pretty solid. There are tanks, outdoor animal stuff. Just looking out, guys. I don't know. I had a bunch of friends who had snakes growing up. Yep, look at that big boy. Growing up, some of my friends, they had snakes. And even though that's the only one I see, if you've ever had snakes or rodents or animals that shouldn't really be pet, you know they can get out. But overall, solid house. We have 1 bedroom, full of stuff. 2nd bedroom, bathroom in here, and master back here. Overall, solid house though. No light in here, but yeah, so not that bad, guys. And only 1 snake that I see of, but I'm not gonna stick around to find out if there's more. I don't even know if the seller is taking it with him. So many unanswered questions. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. We're closing on this house next week, but I just wanted to come put my eyes on it, just make sure there's no unexpected. We did get this house at an amazing discount, so I'm not too worried about it. And I'm very excited for Josh. Like I said, we've done a few deals in the past, but he really wants to dip his toes into flipping, so this is the perfect deal to do it in. And he found the deal, he did the marketing, and he's gonna make a lot of good money on it. And this is what I love about partnerships. Everybody can win. So yeah, we're gonna do a nice 60-40 split because we're taking a little bit more risk, but even with the 40%, he's probably gonna make half of his yearly salary on this deal. But this is why I love real estate. So if you guys ever have deals in Houston, we do partnerships. Just reach out, shoot me a DM or a message. And yeah, guys, it's just another way that we get to do deals. It's a win-win. He gets to make money, we get a free lead. And I mean, houses like this where we have so much equity, it just makes sense. But if you guys made it to the end of the video, I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications as we're dropping weekly videos every Sunday, 6 p.m. CST Central Time. But until next time, guys, peace.